Most people don't realize it until it's too late. One misstep in your 20s can echo through the rest of your life. You're building the rest of your life right now, brick by brick. But what if the foundation you're laying is cracked? What if the financial habits you think are harmless are silently draining your future wealth? Let's uncover the 5 financial mistakes most people make in their 20s and how you can avoid them to live rich, free, and intentionally. Mistake number 1. Living for the weekend, not for wealth. $9 lattes, $200 bar tabs, $500 shopping sprees, they feel like freedom. But they're robbing your future self. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't always a result of low income. It's often a reflection of poor priorities. Ask yourself, are you escaping your week or building your life? Redirect just half that spending toward investing or a high-yield savings account, and your weekend choices today become wealth-building moves tomorrow. Mistake number 2, delaying investing because you think you don't make enough. Here's the lie. I'll start investing when I earn more. Here's the truth. The earlier you start, the less you need. Compound interest is quiet, but deadly powerful. Start with $50 a month, that's one dinner out. But in 30 years, that tiny habit becomes 6 figures. You don't need more money, you need more urgency. Mistake number 3, using credit cards as a safety net. Credit cards look like freedom until they become a trap. One swipe for gas, another for groceries. Before you know it, you're swimming in debt that grows faster than your paycheck. Would you borrow from a friend who charges 22% interest? No? Then why your credit card? Use credit to build your score, not to fund your lifestyle. Treat it like a chainsaw, powerful but dangerous when misused. Mistake number 4, not building an emergency fund. It always happens when you least expect it: a medical bill, a job layoff, a car repair. And without an emergency fund, you're forced into panic decisions. Payday loans, maxed out cards, borrowing from friends. Your emergency fund isn't about fear, it's about power. Power to say no, power to choose, power to breathe. And speaking of power, the next mistake is one that silently steals it from you every day. Mistake number 5, ignoring financial literacy. They taught you algebra, not assets. Shakespeare, not side hustles. So unless you take initiative, no one's coming to save you. You don't need a finance degree, you need curiosity. One podcast, one book, one YouTube video can shift your money mindset forever. Every hour you spend learning about money pays you for life. Your 20s are a gift, not for spending recklessly, but for planting seeds. Seeds of discipline, of knowledge, of freedom. Don't trade short-term pleasure for long-term pain. Avoid these mistakes, and your 30s will thank you. Your 40s will admire you, and your 50s will be free because of you. If this video helped you see money differently, imagine what learning about compounding could do. Tap to watch The Power of Compounding and unlock the most underrated force in personal finance. Don't just make money, master it.